Can you clean around trades still finishing jobs?
Yes, we can clean around trades still working on minor tasks, as long as the majority of construction is complete and the space is safe and accessible. Here's how we approach it. If trades are finishing electrical caulking or small touch-ups, we'll clean around them and return to re-detail those areas later if needed. We can coordinate with your builder, project manager, or site supervisor to ensure everyone's working together. For larger or ongoing trade work, we may suggest a two-stage clean. A rough clean now to make the space usable, and a final polish once work is done. Pro tip: the more complete the site is, the better and longer lasting your clean will be. But if you're tight on time or juggling deadlines, we'll find a way to help.